Today I'm going to be showing you how you can choose your language on Discord. We start off by opening up the Discord app. Once you're in on the app, you're going to go down to this left corner here where you can see your icon. I'm going to go all the way to the right here and to the gear button, and that is the user settings. Click on that and then we can see all the way down to the, and now you can look all the way down here to the language button. Click on that and here you can see I've got English in the US. If that's not what you're looking for, you can choose whatever language in here that you want. So if I wanted to have maybe Dutch, I'm gonna click that and here you can see the language switched completely, but I don't understand this, so I'm gonna go back to the English in the US. Now click on escape and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribe and do all of the other things, and I'll see you on the next one.